Welcome to House Lux Estate, your go-to channel for all things real estate and entrepreneurship. Today we're taking a step into the world of street vending. Street vending, a vibrant and dynamic facet of entrepreneurship, can be both rewarding and challenging. It's not just about setting up a stall and selling, it's about understanding the business, its intricacies, and the environment in which it operates. This video is designed to equip you with some key insights that could make your journey into street vending smoother and more successful. We'll cover everything from understanding your product and knowing your target market to the importance of location and even the legal aspects you need to consider. Whether you're exploring this as a full-time venture or a side hustle, these insights will be invaluable. Are you ready to learn about the 10 things you need to know before becoming a street vendor? Let's dive right in. Firstly, you must understand your product. This goes beyond just knowing what you're selling. It's about understanding its intrinsic value, why it matters, and what it brings to the table that no other product does. This is the essence of your offering. Think about what makes your product unique, what sets it apart. Is it locally sourced? Is it handmade? Is it an old family recipe? Consider also its appeal to customers. How does it solve a problem or meet a need? Maybe it's a refreshing drink on a hot day, or a unique piece of jewelry that adds a touch of personality. The key is to know your product like the back of your hand. This knowledge will not only boost your confidence, but also allow you to convincingly convey its value to potential customers. Remember, people don't just buy products, they buy stories and solutions. Knowing your product inside out is the first step to a successful street vending business. Secondly, know your target market. The goal of any business is to meet the needs and wants of its customers. In order to do this effectively, you need to understand who your potential customers are. This involves identifying the demographics of your target market. Are they young or old? Do they prefer traditional street food, or are they looking for more novel culinary experiences? Understanding the preferences of your target market is equally crucial. If your target market consists of health-conscious individuals, for instance, you might want to consider offering healthier food options. Alternatively, if your target market is more inclined towards indulging in comfort food, then your menu should reflect that. Keep in mind that your target market might change depending on the location and time of day, so it's important to be adaptable. Tailoring your offerings to meet the needs and preferences of your target market can significantly boost your business. Remember, a successful business caters to the needs of its customers. Thirdly, remember, location is key. Now, what does this mean exactly? Well, picture this. You're selling the most delectable hot dogs in town, but you're tucked away in a quiet alley with barely a passerby. Your business won't be booming, right? That's because high foot traffic is paramount for street vending. Choosing the right spot is a blend of art and science. It's about understanding the rhythm of the city, knowing when and where people gather. Lunchtime near offices, late evenings near bars, weekends near the park. You see, you also need to match your location with your target market. That's the science part. Say, you're selling gourmet coffee. Setting up near a college campus might not be as fruitful as being near corporate buildings. Why? Because your product appeals more to working professionals than students. In street vending, your location can make or break your business. So choose wisely and remember, location is always key. Fourthly, understand the law. When you're stepping into the world of street vending, it's not just about selling. It's about selling responsibly and legally. And that means you need to have a clear understanding of the local laws and regulations regarding street vending. These can vary greatly from one place to another, so be sure to do your homework. What permits do you need? What are the health and safety regulations? Are there zoning restrictions? These are all questions you should be asking yourself. Remember, it's not just about avoiding fines and penalties. It's about respecting your community and your customers. It's about being a responsible business owner. And that starts with understanding and complying with the law. As the old saying goes, ignorance of the law is never an excuse. So make sure you're operating legally. It's not just good business practice. It's the right thing to do. Fifthly, be ready for long hours. Now let's dive into the nitty-gritty of the street vending business. It's not for the faint of heart. The hustle and bustle of the streets require an immense level of dedication and commitment. Street vending is a world away from the comfortable confines of a 9-to-5 office job. You should be prepared for early mornings, setting up your stall as the sun rises, and late evenings, packing up long after the sun has set. The rhythm of the streets becomes your rhythm. Weekends, holidays, those may become just another day at work. And remember, it's not just the selling. There's the prep work, The cleanup, the restocking, the paperwork, all these tasks add up, making the hours stretch into the night. This is the reality of the street vending world. It's demanding, but it's also rewarding for those who embrace the challenge. Street vending is not a 9-to-5 job. It requires dedication and hard work. Sixthly, master your sales pitch. Have you ever considered that your sales pitch could be your secret weapon? A compelling sales pitch is more than just a summary of what you're selling. It's your chance to show your passion, your knowledge, and your commitment to your customers. Imagine walking down the street and hearing a vendor enthusiastically share about their product. They're not just listing its features, they're telling a story. They're creating a connection. That's the power of a good sales pitch. Your pitch should be unique to your product and your personality, but there are a few key elements to keep in mind. Know your product inside and out. Be clear, concise, and persuasive. And always remember to engage with your audience. Remember, the goal isn't just to make a sale. It's to build a relationship with your customers, to create a memorable experience. So, master your sales pitch. A good sales pitch can turn a passerby into a loyal customer. Seventh, customer service is crucial. This principle shines bright when you're a street vendor. It's not just about selling a product, it's about creating an experience, a connection that keeps your customers coming back for more. Good customer service is like a secret ingredient that gives your business a distinctive flavor. It involves showing genuine interest in your customers, understanding their needs, and going that extra mile to meet those needs. It's about treating every single customer like they're your only customer. Remember, in the world of street vending, your reputation is your currency. A smile, a friendly greeting, a thank you. These seemingly small acts of kindness can have a big impact. They can turn a casual passerby into a loyal customer, and a loyal customer into a powerful advocate for your business. The importance of good customer service cannot be overstated. It's the difference between a one-time sale and a repeat customer. Remember, a happy customer is a repeat customer. Eighth, be prepared for weather changes. Now, this might seem obvious, but many novice vendors overlook this crucial aspect. Weather, my friends, is a fickle companion. One minute it's sunny and the next you're caught in a downpour. This unpredictability can greatly impact your street vending operations. Imagine setting up your stall on a beautiful sunny day, only for a sudden shower to send customers scurrying for cover. You'd be stuck with unsold goods and possibly a damaged setup. Not an ideal scenario, right? So how do you tackle this? Firstly, keep an eye on the weather forecasts. Technology has made it easier than ever to stay informed about impending weather changes. Secondly, always have contingency plans in place. This could be as simple as having a sturdy waterproof canopy for your stall or moving your operations indoors if possible. But remember, every cloud has a silver lining. A rainy day could mean hot coffee and soup sell like hotcakes. So, don't let the weather rain on your parade. Always be prepared. Ninth, keep your stall clean. A simple statement, but one that holds immense weight. Cleanliness is not just about presenting a tidy image. It's about attracting customers, adhering to health regulations, and maintaining a sense of pride in your work. Imagine walking down the street and seeing two stalls side by side. One is tidy with every item in its place. The other is disheveled with remnants of past sales scattered about. Which one would you feel more drawn to? Your customers think the same. A clean stall is more inviting, and it tells your customers that you care about your business and in turn, about them. Health regulations are another crucial reason to keep your stall clean. No one wants to buy food from a stall that could potentially make them ill. Keeping your space tidy helps you avoid any unpleasant run-ins with health inspectors. Lastly, maintaining a clean stall is about taking pride in your work. It's about showing that you respect your business and the products you're selling. A clean stall is a welcoming stall. Lastly, always be adaptable. The world of street vending is a dynamic one, constantly shifting and evolving. You may have to adjust your product, change your location, or even reinvent your whole business based on the whims of the market, weather conditions, or changes in local regulations. Remember, flexibility isn't a sign of weakness, but a testament to your resilience and commitment. Your ability to adapt will set you apart from the competition and ensure that your business thrives no matter the circumstances. This adaptability, combined with a deep understanding of your product, your market, and the laws that govern your trade, a willingness to put in long hours, a compelling sales pitch, stellar customer service, and a clean, inviting stall will pave the way to your success as a street vendor. And that's it. These are the 10 things you need to know before becoming a street vendor. Don't forget to subscribe to House Lux Estate for more insights and advice. Until next time.